Giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele, and we are coming to you from Transitions of Indiana, and I am joined by the director, Will Sadler. A new location here in the Pyramids, more space, more comfort, and more treatments for hair loss than ever before.
You got it. So thank you so much for coming in today, Laura. It's really exciting. We are going to be introducing our latest VIP member for Transitions of Indiana, and we're going to be able to help her out just like we've been able to help out thousands of men and women through hair loss as well.
Okay, let's go back and meet her.
And we're proud to introduce you to Mindy Winkler, Transitions' new VIP from Caleb and Mindy in the Morning on 97.1 Hank FM.
Well, welcome, Mindy. And you have made a visit to Transitions of Indiana. What brought you here, and what do you hope they can do for you?
Well, like most women, by the time we have kids and our hair starts thinning out a little bit, hormones and everything else, and I noticed it then, get into my 40s, it's getting worse, and I'm about to go into my 50s, and I literally started using things, trying to fix it. I mean, I was using multiple supplements. I've tried every shampoo, conditioner under the sun. I've spent hundreds, probably thousands of dollars, to the point I even went to the point of extensions that I was wearing for a decade just to hide. I wouldn't even go out of the house without them. And I saw people that I know that came here, and I saw their amazing results. I was like, I need to check this out.
And the consultation was great, and the science and technology behind it?
I was literally blown away. I was ecstatic to learn so much and learn the technology that they offered and what solutions they were going to be able to offer me. I came out of here in tears. I was so ecstatic.
And that's such a great feeling to know that someone who has hair loss can get help here at Transitions of Indiana. Will, tell me, what is your treatment plan for Mindy?
Absolutely. Yeah. So Mindy, just like many men and women, I mean, especially women, this is an emotional thing to go through, that hair loss. And, so she has been going through a lot of things. She was a former professional, cheerleader, and it's a big part of who you are. And so as we take a global approach with this and understanding what can be done with Mindy, we're going to be doing PRP, which is platelet rich plasma. We're going to be doing FDA approved laser hair therapy. We're also taking a trichology approach with products too, which is going to help with creating the most optimal environment for the treatments to do what they need to do. So we're very excited.
These treatments can just be 45 minutes, which is important to know.
It's super easy. Yes, you're in, you're out, anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. It's super easy.
How can people find out more about you?
Just call us at 317-522-2991 or go to transitionsindy.com for your free hair and scalp analysis.
And if you'd like to see your business featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@wthr.com. Thank you.